everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you the Zoya Daydreaming collection. This is a 6-piece collection from Zoya that they sent to me so I can share them with you guys. This is actually a collection I didn't think I was gonna like. Looking at the photos online, I found it to be unimpressive. I thought it was filled with a bunch of shimmers, but let me tell you, the way they look in person is so much better than the way that they look online, at least from the photos that I've seen. So I'm gonna do my best to display them. I just don't think that the promo photos that Zoya released were the best, so that's just my opinion. Anyways, let's carry on. The first one is Kira, and this is a vibrant cornflower blue infused with micro shimmer in a 2-coat full coverage formula. I will give it to them. This is a 2-coater and the formula is amazing. This is very vibrant. And it's one of my favorites. It's such a beautiful shade, and it's got those glitters in there. I mean, even it says in the description, micro shimmer. I don't know. I feel like it's so much better than shimmer. Maybe I'm judging shimmer in a bad way, but when I think of shimmer, I don't find it appealing. What is in this bottle, I find appealing. So I got this one opaque in 2 coats. Easy to remove, top coat for shine, just a beautiful formula all the way around. The next one is Marie, and this is described as a lively Chinese violet infused with micro shimmer in a 2-coat full coverage formula. This is a warm purple to me. I'm such a simple girl. It's a warm purple, and it's got those, they look like micro flakies in there. I don't want to say shimmer because I think it sounds unappealing, but they look like micro flakies to me. Kind of gives it a gold shift. I really like this one. Again, opaque in 2 coats. Apply top coat for shine, and removal is easy. This one is TERRA, and it's described as an amethyst purple with pink undertones infused with micro shimmer. Again, with that micro shimmer. I don't think this is a micro shimmer, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I need to do my own research. Either way, this is to me an orchid purple. It does have micro flakes in there. That does give you a gold shift. It reminds me of the color Perry. Is it Perry by Zoya? It's a warm toned purple. That's what this one reminds me of, but this has that extra oomph with those flakes in there. I don't know. Either way, it's got a beautiful formula. Again, a 2-coater, top coat for shine, and easy to remove. This one is TINK, and it's a juicy, zestful amaranth magenta infused with micro shimmer. This reminds me of like a silk robe. The color on the website, at least I'm viewing it on my phone, is not accurate at all. This is like a very silky, I agree with juicy, but the color that they're showing is not accurate. This is so pretty, and honestly, this would have been the last color in this collection that I would have thought would look this way based on what I was seeing online. It is seriously so pretty. Opaque in 2 coats. This one does have, I think, a thinner formula, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And we know how Zoya polishes thicken over time, so actually that might be a good thing, right? Top coat for shine, and removal is easy. The next one is Sipsey. This is described as a red tinted amber infused with micro shimmer. I built this one up in 2 coats. The formula is really nice. It does have that, it looks like an old penny. It's got that old penny shade to me. It also has that gold shift in there with those micro flakes. I'm gonna call them micro flakies, okay? Let me carry on. It is actually really pretty. I don't think it looks good against my skin tone, but I feel like if you have a deeper tone, or if you just darker than me, I guess, which is not difficult at all, it's gonna look really nice on you. On me though, I don't think it looks that good. Built this one up in 2 coats, top coat for shine, and removal is easy. And the last one is Yardley. This is described as a peachy champagne gold infused with micro shimmer. This, if the other one is an old penny, this is like a new penny. It definitely has more of a metallic look to it. The other ones, I feel like there were those flakes in there that were a lot bigger. In this one, they're obvious, but they're not as big. Still, the formula is really good. Opaque in 2 coats, top coat for shine, and removal is easy. So if you couldn't tell, basically all of these colors on this side of this box are my favorites. If I could only choose 2, it would be these 2 right here. TINK, and what is this one again? Kira. TINK and Kira. I really like those ones, but I would definitely just pick up these 4. Only because these ones just don't look good on my skin tone. There's nothing wrong with the polishes themselves. They just don't pop. So anyways, these ones are my favorites. I hope I got this out in a timely manner. I've been trying my best. Either way, I'm here to share with you guys my thoughts. So I'm gonna leave the link to the website to pick these up. You can pick them up individually or as a set. They also have sales going on periodically, which I'm gonna repeat myself every time I do a Zoya video. I feel like I always say this, but just stick around for some sales. If you have the patience, just be patient. Even if you don't have the patience, try to discipline yourself, because Zoya comes out with sales often and they're actually pretty good. So you can pick these up for a discounted price, and all you have to do is wait around a little bit, right? Save you some money just by waiting. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!